आप देख रहे हैं सहारा न्यूज। बेंगलुरु से एक खुशगवार खबर सामने आई है। सेंट विन पब्लिक स्कूल की तरफ से मुनक्कद की गई एनुअल एग्जीबिशन 2025-26 जिसका उन्वान लुमिना वेयर एवरी स्पार्क बिकम्स अ स्टोरी था, बड़ी कामयाबी के साथ मुकम्मल हो गई। इस एग्जीबिशन में ब्लॉक एजुकेशन ऑफिसर यानी BEO ने भी शिरकत की और बच्चों के प्रोजेक्ट्स का जायजा लिया। BEO ने तलबा की क्रिएटिविटी, मेहनत और स्कूल के एजुकेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स की तारीफ की। एग्जीबिशन के दौरान पेरेंट्स भी बड़ी तादाद में मौजूद रहे जो अपने बच्चों के प्रोजेक्ट्स और परफॉर्मेंसेस देखकर बेहद खुश नजर आए। साइंस मॉडल्स, आर्ट वर्क्स और इनोवेटिव आइडियाज ने सभी को मुतासिर किया। स्कूल मैनेजमेंट और असातिज़ा की मेहनत से पूरा प्रोग्राम निहायत मुनज़्ज़म और पुरजोश माहौल में अंजाम पाया। आखिर में स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने BEO, पेरेंट्स और तमाम मेहमानों का शुक्रिया अदा किया। इसी के साथ ये एग्जीबिशन कामयाबी के साथ इख्तिताम को पहुंची। बच्चों ने इस्लामिक डिजाइन पर मबनी मॉडल्स भी पेश किए जिसमें मक्का मुकर्रमा और मदीना मुनव्वरा के खूबसूरत और पुरईमान रेप्लिकास शामिल थे जो सब के लिए खास तवज्जो का मरकज रहे। क्यूट बेबी के जरिए तैयार की गई कर्नाटका यानी कन्नड़ा स्टेट मैप प्रेजेंटेशन भी मौजूद रही जिसे देखकर पेरेंट्स और मेहमान बेहद मुतासिर हुए।
अल्लाहु ला इलाहा इल्ला हुवल हय्युल क़य्यूम ला तअख़ुज़ुहु सिनतुन व ला नऊम लहू मा फ़िस समावाति व मा फ़िल अर्ज़ मन ज़ल्लज़ी यशफ़अु इंदहु इल्ला बिइज़्निहि यअलमु मा बैना अयदीहिम व मा ख़ल्फ़हुम वला युहीतून बिशैइन मिन इल्मिही इल्ला बिमा शाअ वसिअ कुर्सियुहु अस्समावाति वल अर्ज़ वला यऊदुहु हिफ्ज़ुहुमा व हुवल अलिय्युल अज़ीम सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम।
And you will demonstrate also, okay? You have to explain. What are the instruments that you have made? You should explain.
My name is Ruqayya Fatwa from grade 4. My model is Masjid Nabawi. Masjid Nabawi is the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Mosque is located in Medina, Saudi Arabia. It is the second holiest mosque in Islam after Masjid al-Haram. The mosque was originally built by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself in the year 622 centuries. Soon after he migrated to Medina. It is located in the center of Medina, near the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam house and his burial place. Inside the mosque is a Rawda area which includes the graves of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. A small area between the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam pulpit and his chamber. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
My name is Zainab from grade 7. Today I am going to explain about the journey of Miraj. Let's get the ball rolling. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was taken from Masjid al-Haram during the night. Angel Jibril came and the blessed journey began. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was seated on a special heavenly animal called Buraq, which moved extremely fast, reaching the horizon in just one step. The first part of the journey is Makkah to Masjid al-Haram in Jerusalem. This is called Al-Isra. There the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam led all the Prophet in prayer as the Imam. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ascended towards heaven with Jibril alayhi salam. First heaven, Prophet Adam alayhi salam. Second heaven, Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Sixth heaven, Prophet Musa alayhi salam. And the seventh heaven was the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Each and every prophet welcomed and honored Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. On the seventh heaven, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw a special house called Baitul Ma'mur. Every day, 70,000 angels enter it and enter it again. Above that is Sidratul Muntaha, a great heavenly tree, a place beyond which a Jibril cannot go. Ibrahim cannot go. Allah initially made 50 prayers obligatory. On Muhammad's advice, the Prophet Muhammad repeatedly requested protection. But after returning to Allah 9 times, finally the 5 prayers were made obligatory. The Prophet Muhammad was shown the beauties of Jannah, hell, paradise, and the seas of Jahannam, hell, and he received many teachings from his Ummah. Jazakallahu khairan.
Venerable Northside place reason in Northside Alliance variable Venerable Northside enemies came to attack in Medina and
because a lot of things are there. Sorry.
Now, this motivates them to analyze the problems of any mechanical instruments or electrical instruments. They can rectify this because we have this artificial intelligence robotic course we are giving, and that base we have arranged this science exhibition so that they will understand. Now, most of my students of St. Win Public School, they are very much capable to handle all the problems even in their houses. Now we received many comments from the parents that my child has rectified this this electrical board, connection board, they have rectified. So I really enjoy this. On that base, we have arranged this science exhibition, and we keep this throughout every year. We are going to arrange this science exhibition so that we want to motivate, we want to give the best knowledge, we want to give the best education so that their mind shouldn't diverted from this education. So this is what I want, and I feel we have done very good, and we got a very good response from all the parents, and students have done very good job. I appreciate, and staff of St. Win Public School, they are very much highly qualified teachers. This shows what they have displayed now. This shows the capability of teachers and the capability of students, and what we are supporting them is very clear for all the parents. Thank you, sir.
Oh, very good, very good.
Sir, lovely.
See, we will not do it, but we have to tell us.
There are freedom fighters, sir.
ನಾನು ಇಂದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಅರಮನೆ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರವನ್ನು ಅರಮನೆಗಳ ನಗರ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಎಂಬ ವಿಲಾಸ್ ಅರಮನೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಅರಮನೆ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. 18 ನಂತರ 1901ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಸಂಜೆ ಅವರು ಹೊಸ ಅರಮನೆ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಫೀಫಾ ಇರಂ. ನಾನು 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಸೆಂಟ್ ವಿನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕವು ಭಾರತದ ದಕ್ಷಿಣದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಎಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಬಂತು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 31 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಅವುಗಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಕೋಲಾರ, ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ಮೈಸೂರು ಮುಂತಾದವು. ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ನಾರು ಎನ್ನುವರು, ಕೋಲಾರಿಗೆ ಚಿನ್ನದ ನಾರು ಎನ್ನುವರು, ಮಂಡ್ಯಗೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ನಾರು ಎನ್ನುವರು, ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಅರಮನೆ ನಾರು ಎನ್ನುವರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Good afternoon, all the parents and all my kids. We have arranged this science exhibition for the benefit of children's knowledge, and we want to motivate them, and we want that all the children should be expert in technical side also and knowledgeable.
Masjid Al-Aqsa is one of the holy sites in Islam. It is located in the old city of Jerusalem, and it is a part of large temple known as Al-Haram and Al-Sharif. The meaning of Al-Aqsa means the farthest mosque. The mosque far away from Makkah. Masjid Al-Aqsa is the third holiest site in Islam, after Masjid Al-Haram, Makkah, and Masjid Al-Nabawi, Medina.
Muslims around the world face Kaaba during every prayer. This direction is called Qibla. It was originally built by Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Ismail alayhi salam by Allah's command. The Kaaba is cube-shaped building about 15 meters high, made of stone. The black stone as well is fixed in eastern corner, and pilgrims try to touch or kiss it. The Kaaba is covered with black cloth called Yashwa, which is changed every year. Inside the Kaaba,
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and a very good afternoon. I am Sayyida Naseem Hafiz, Vice President of St. Win Public School. It's been a very good and a very warm afternoon today, as we all had our annual exhibition in our school premises. And very firstly, I would like to thank all the parents for their efforts, hard work, and the dedication what they have put in to help the children in making up the models and everything. And I also thank my staff members and the children for creating such innovative models and giving good explanations and everything. Overall, the children also have done a lot from past few days, from couple of days. They've really worked hard, and with them, even our staff has put in a lot of efforts, for which I am very thankful to them. They are just not our staff, they are our family. We call them Centwin family, which is very important. And we had the exhibition today. We had the exhibition, not only it was not a science exhibition, but in almost all the subjects, be it Diniyat, starting with Diniyat, we had Kannada, Hindi, science, English, maths, abacus, robotics, as we have introduced artificial intelligence and robotics in our school. So that was very awesome. I would say that was mind-blowing. And the feedback from the parents was also very good. And really, from the depth of my heart, I'm really thankful to all the parents for supporting us and helping us and coordinating with us in each and everything. I am immensely very happy today. And from the bottoms of my heart, I thank all the parents, staff, and the children and the students of Centwin Public School. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
For dancers, scabbard, gold for the king.
I am selling
What do you try?
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
Happy morning, sir. Myself Sairaj. I am from grade 2. Today I am selling tablas, guitar and arrow.
Very good.
In Bajaj.
Very good.
Sir, happy morning. Synonyms are similar meaning.
You made this? MashaAllah. Last time you made one school, you know? And it was very good.
Magic box, sir. That. Give one card for sir. Opposite word, sir. You have to just put it inside. You get the opposite word. Magic box. Open. Close. Okay. Yes.
Finish?
Types of pronouns. There are 8 passive speech, noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunctions.
This is very important. This is very important.
And types of pronouns.
I have made this model in the format of formal letter. A formal letter is written for official purposes like applications, requests or complaints, which includes from address, date to address, citation, subject, body of the letter, subscription, name, and citation. Whereas in so now this is a where I will give you and basic Karangi from friendly and personal. Here I have
What you want?
You have to guess, sir. You have to guess. Just read out to sir. Read out.
What can be touched but can't be seen?
You have to guess, sir. Answer.
आप आंसर बोलो उसका.
What can be touched?
But can't be seen.
क्या can be touched?
This it can be touched.
What can be touched? Okay. छू सकते लेकिन देख नहीं सकते.
It's a riddle both, sir. You have to guess.
Okay, what if we guess? You're going to give us a
Chocolate.
The answer. You tell me the answer.
Someone's heart.
Someone's heart.
Oh, very good, very good.
One more.
Very good.
It never comes down.
So go up but never comes up.
No, what goes up but never comes down.
What?
Stairs.
Age.
Yes, yeah. Very good, very good. Thank you.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. A very good afternoon. This is Atya Ali, principal of St. Win Public School, and today we had annual exhibition in our school, Lumina, and we had a lot of participation. Almost all the children from our school participated, and they exhibited very nice and innovative, creative models. And first of all, I would like to thank the parents because they have really contributed a lot, and they have supported us by visiting our exhibition and motivating the children. Today we had our BEO, Block Education Officer, Ms. Nasreen Taj, who was actually very, it was a big motivation for our students. She visiting our school and seeing the models and the explanation of the children. Even we had a blogger from Instagram, Mr. Saad Ahmed, and it was really motivating. We had a very good time, and I would really first from the deep of my heart, I would like to thank all the parents for their contribution. They supported a lot. Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. This is my model. This is a game. The game is called Word Perfect.
I will take
What you are saying is, can't even hear it. Yes, of course.
Main objective is to stop the keywords of the word and create it into a good like fast dance generation. I'm sure we've all seen some of these like
My name is Ayana.
Okay.
My name is Alvishar from Bay. Today I am going to explain this question. According to in a number that is 4,532. 4 is in the thousand. It is 4,000. 5 is in the hundred. It is 500. 8 is in the next.
Okay.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anishada from BNP. Today's topic is Roman numerals. We are going to introduce you to Roman numerals. But I have to know what you remember. Yes, we remember ancient times. Not only in ancient times, but we still use Roman numerals in our day-to-day life, like in clothes, books, and business items.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jamil Khar from grade 4. Today I am going to talk about measurements. We all are aware of measurements. It means finding the size, length, weight, or amount of something and capacity of different things. Good morning everyone. My name is Surya Khan from grade 4. My model is this measurement is keeping our surroundings clean and happy. We should supplies you. That means for things, right? Plastic. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Okay.
Here we are. Myself, who is a justice called as High Court. The High Court is an important court in each state. It helps people get justice and also protects the rights of people.
My name is Aisha Pradeep. Have you ever seen the white water women of French ones? I will tell you about what's the struggle called Kutubna. This is my model Kutubna. Let me tell you some interesting facts about it. Kutubna is a white water in Delhi, India. It is over 73 meters high. It was started by Qutbuddin Aibak, written by Iltutmish. It is made of red sandstone and
Myself, Muhammad Ismail Pasha of Grade 4. Today I am presenting a monument of India's struggle for freedom. That's our Red Fort. The Red Fort is located in the heart of Delhi. It is one of India's most iconic monuments and a symbol of the nation, its culture. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1600. It contains
Okay.
From Britain. My model is the famous, beautiful and the greatest architectural wonders of India. The Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a white marble structure, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Do you know? It was built by Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal between 1631 and 1653 by thousands of years. It changes the color with the sunlight, pinkish in the morning.
Okay.
My name is Muhammad Hamdan from Grade 4. Today I am presenting my model motorcycle. This motorcycle shows how water moves in a cycle. It has 4 main stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and color. Water from oceans, rivers, and lakes.
Okay.
My name is Asoma. My topic is model for this season according to the theory, are three basic: summer, rainy, and winter. We wear different clothes in different seasons. We are comfortable and stay healthy. Summer is very hot. My name is Arashri from Grade 4. Do you know what is this? The solar system, a family of cells and all the objects that move around it. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It includes planets called Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, and Neptune. Planets move around the sun in fixed paths called orbits.
Okay.
My name is Naman from Grade 4. Today I am going to explain a very important part of our lifetime. Time helps us to know when to do our activities and keep our lives. Time is like a guide. It tells us when to start and when to stop. We met time as clock. Clock shows us hour, minute, and seconds. A day have 24 hours. It is divided into morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Time is measured in units like 60 seconds, 1 minute, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, 60 minutes is equal to 124 hours is equal to 1 day. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Mujibulisa from Grade 4. Today I am presenting my model homophones. Homophones are words that have same sound but have different meanings and spelling. They confuse us because their pronouns are alike. Do you know homophones make English interesting and fun to learn? Like see, here, do.
Okay.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abhinav from Grade 4. Today I am presenting articles. Articles help us to talk clearly. Articles help us to identify whether we one or any other person. And are indefinite articles. The is called definite article. Pre is for a word that begins with vowel sound. A, E, I, O. Without article, sentence sound are incomplete.
मेरा नाम अतिया शरीफ है। मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आपको पर्यायवाची शब्द के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। वह शब्द जो एक दूसरे के समान आगे सफलता से जा सकते हैं। वह पर्यायवाची शब्द कहते हैं। मछली, मगर, फूल, बच्चा, बाहर, मेरा है। मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरा संज्ञा है। किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान, प्रणाम होता है। जानकारी जिन शब्दों से होता है वह नाम वाले शब्द होते हैं, वो कहते हैं। वस्तु यानी कि कम्बल, किताब।
Okay.
मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरा विशेष राष्ट्रीय चिन्ह है। राष्ट्रीय पक्षी मोर, राष्ट्रीय दिवस तिरंगा, राष्ट्रीय पशुका, राष्ट्रीय
Okay.
मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आज कबीरदास बना हूँ। मैं 15 विकेट सत्या भारतीय संघ था। मेरा जब 1398 में काशी में हुआ था। बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ, जैसे पेड़ खजूर, पंती को छाया नहीं, फल लगे थे। अर्थात खजूर का पेड़ बहुत बड़ा होता है, लेकिन वे किसी को छाया नहीं
ಫೈದನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪವನ್. ನಾನು 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪಾತ್ರ ಕವಿ ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರು. ನಾನು 16ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದ ಸಂತ ಕವಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮೂಲ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ನಾಯಕ್. ನನ್ನ ಜನ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಪುರಂದರಗಢ. ನನ್ನ ಹರಿದಾಸ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಗೀತಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಗೀತದ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಆನಂದ. ನಾನು 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪಾತ್ರ ಕವಿ ಕುವೆಂಪು. ನನ್ನ ಮೂಲ ಹೆಸರು ಕುಪ್ಪಳ್ಳಿ ವೆಂಕಟಪ್ಪ ಪುಟ್ಟಪ್ಪ. ನಾನು 1904ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಹಿರೇಕೊಡಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಕುಪ್ಪಳ್ಳಿ. ನನಗೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿ ಎಂಬ ಬಿರುದು ದೊರೆತಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ದರ್ಶನ ಕೃತಿಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಲಭಿಸಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಗೀತೆ ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಎಂಬ ಕವಿತೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Good morning everyone. My name is Ashok from grade 4. Today I am presenting a model of seed germination. Do you know what is germination? Let us know about this today. Germination is the process by which seed grows into a new plant. It begins when the seed gets air, water and right temperature. The seed absorbs water and becomes solemn. Then the seed pod breaks open. The radical baby shoot comes out first and grows downwards into the soil. So you love grade 4. This is my model India Gate, a famous national monument located in New Delhi. It was built in 1900 in big arch shape in the honor of Indian soldiers. The monument is 42 meters tall, made up of sandstone. The names of soldiers are written on it. At night, India Gate is lit.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Javed, studying in grade 4. I am doing a presentation about PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is an application that is used to make presentation. It is used to create simple and professional presentation. PowerPoint is also used as an English tool.
Same, huh? Yeah.
Good morning everyone. Myself Sidra from grade 4. This is my model all about English tenses. Tenses help us to understand when an action happens. Now, I will take you to the past, present and future tenses. Present tense happens now. It tells about actions that are happening right now or things we do every day. Example, I play cricket. Past tense happening now. It tells about actions that are happening now. Example, I played cricket yesterday. Future tense will happen later or in the future. Example, I will play cricket. Good morning. My name is Hasiba Miraj. I am from grade 4. My topic for today is noun. A noun is a name. It is a name of a person, place, animal, thing. Noun name, person, place, animal, and thing. Everything we see around us has a name, and that name is a noun. The person. She is.
Okay.
My name is Johan Dev from grade 4. This is my model of my school. I made this model for an important place in my school. It's a main area like library, playground. My school also has science labs, computer labs, activity room, etc. My school is a place where we learn, play and grow every day. My name is Fatima. I am from grade 4. Today you will be surprised by all the participants have gathered here for special classes, punctuation and let me introduce you to them here. We develop exclamatory mark. That's not true. I think so because without me people will run out of breath while reading. Hey, do not forget it. I show my strong feelings like compassion, joy, anger. Good morning everyone. My name is Sada Fatima. I am from grade 4. I am a full stop and the most important. Every sentence will end with me. Without me, sentence will never stop. I am a full stop.
Doctor. Oh, fine, man. Traffic. Postman. Oh, super. Here, look. Here.
I'm going to represent the model of sensors. We have 5 special helpers that tells us the world around us. Eyes help us to see the world like and watching like ear help us to hear and friends laugh and music plays. Nose help us to smell, hear me food and flowers. Tongue help us to taste delicious food and drinks. Skin help us to feel the cycle and a gentle back. Our sense organs work together to help us explore and enjoy the world. Good morning, my name is Sarah. My name is Sabrina, studying in grade 2B section. I am representing the model of Mayabur. We use straws to measure things such as ruler to measure length like a pencil arrow, scale to measure weight like fruits or toys, measuring cup to measure distance like water and measure weight like length which is measured in centimeters, meters, weight which is measured in grams, kg, kilograms, liquid which is measured in milliliters, liters. Measuring helps us compare and understand things.
Okay.
I am representing the model of road safety rule. We have to look left and right and look again before crossing the road. We have to always hold hands with our grown-up early walk on the road.
Okay.
Good morning. My name is Myra, studying the second B section. I am representing the model of even and odd numbers. Let's explore even and odd numbers.
Okay.
Morning, my name is Abu Bakr. I am studying grade 2B section. I am representing the model of article. And the are the articles. Articles are special words.
Okay.
My name is Imran. I am studying in grade 2B. I am presenting model of place value. Number have different value depending on their position in a number are called place value. The right more digit is representing single unit. 1, 2, 3, etc. is one's place value.
Okay.
My name is Muhammad Sadar. I am studying in grade 2B. I am playing yoga for tiger. Tiger cricket. I am tiger big. I have orange and black stripes. I am very strong. I live in forest and grassland. I am expert in hunting.
Okay.
मेरा नाम सैयद शाहजब है। मैं दूसरी कक्षा से हूँ। मेरा विषय है कवि जयशंकर प्रसाद। आज मैं इस कवि का पाठ कर रहा हूँ। मेरा जन्म 3 जनवरी वाराणसी उत्तर प्रदेश में हुआ। मेरे पिता का नाम देवी प्रसाद है और माता का नाम मुन्नी देवी है। मेरे पिता की मृत्यु हो जाने के बाद मेरी शिक्षा घर पे ही हुई। मैं हिंदी कविता और नाटक को एक नई दिशा दी और मुझे महाकवि के रूप में माना जाता है।
Good morning. My name is Muhammad Zainullah. I am studying in grade 2B section. I am presenting the model of action verbs. Let's learn about action verbs. Action verbs that shows us what someone or something about that. They tell what's happening in the sentence. Example: play. They play in the park. Write. He writes a letter.
Okay.
I am reviewing the model of ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, numbers go from small to big, like counting up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Descending order, numbers go from big to small, like counting down.
Okay.
My name is Rina, studying grade 2 section. I am presenting the model of opposite categories. Opposite are words that have always been used. Examples: big, small, fast, slow, hot, cold.
Okay.
Good morning, my name is Sharanya, studying in grade 2nd B. I am representing the model of parts of plant. It is the plant family. Plant has several important parts. Roots run the round quarter and keep the plant strong. Stems support the plant like the backbone. Leaves make food for the plant like a tiny kitchen. Flowers are beautiful and colorful to help the plant to make seeds. Fruits grow from the flowers and contain seeds like apples and bananas. Plants are amazing and will eat them with oxygen and food.
Okay.
My name is Farhan. I am studying in grade 2B section. I am representing the model of neighborhood. My neighborhood. I live in a neighborhood with many houses, shops and parks. My family, friends and neighbors live. We have a park where we play, a shop where we buy things, and a school where we learn. My neighborhood is a happy and safe place. We help each other and play together. We respect our neighborhood and keep our neighborhood.
Okay. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹಸ್ರಾತ್ ಫತ್ಮಾ. ನಾನು 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು 1ರಿಂದ 10ವರೆಗೆ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. My name is Adyan Zafar, studying in grade 2B. I am doing presentation about MS Paint. MS Paint is a simple graphics program which is used to draw pictures even with the help of different tools. Just for drawing lines, curves, rectangles, and circles. My name is Mohammed Hamza, studying in grade 2. I am doing presentation about MS Paint. MS Paint is a special graphic program. My name is Mahmoud. I am studying in grade 2G. I am doing a presenting about MS Paint. MS Paint is a simple graphic program which is used to draw pictures. We can work in Paint program with the help of different shapes. Shapes for drawing lines.
Okay. Start.
Good morning everyone. I am Muhammad Shahzad from grade 1A section. Let me introduce the our friends and then farm model. Introduce the manual book. Farmer user don't need to monitor constantly. The system works automatically. It is low in cost, built with affordable components like Arduino sensor, basic electronic, perfect for houses and small farms. The rain sensor detects the raindrops and the Arduino controls the servo motor to move the clothesline into the shelter or back to the sunlight for drying. It is eco-friendly, better water usage means reduce environment. My name is Mohammad Fazal Sharif. I am from grade 1A section. My model represents animals. Wild animals live in jungle, not with humans. They hunt food for themselves and their protection. Let me take you to jungle. This is lion, king of the jungle. This is elephant, the big gentle and joy. This is giraffe.
Okay. Okay.
Coming to St. Vincent Public School, how do you feel?
Yes, we are here today at St. Vincent Public School for the annual exhibition, and it was a really good experience. I've seen a lot of kids with very innovative and very good ideas which they have come up, and back then all these things were not there, but new things like robotics AI have been implemented here in St. Vin Public School, which is a very good thing. And they are the next future. They are the next thing which is going to come up in the market. And when you're training your children for this from 7 years or 6 years, that will give them a lot of development. That's going to give them a lot of encouragement and confidence going forward in their careers. I think the foundation has been really good. The foundation, their educations, their the extracurricular activity, with everything, I think they are doing really well, and all the best to them.
Good morning, myself Umar Farooq of grade 8. Today I am exhibiting my model Palais Queen. Palais Queen bearers is written by Sarojini Naidu. Nowadays, brides are carried in decorated car. In olden days, royal brides were carried in Palais Queen. I am a Palais Queen bearer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Alia Khan of grade 9. This is my working model of earthquake. Whenever you will get an earthquake, this alarm will start beeping so that you'll get an indication that the earthquake is going to come. Earthquake occurs when we cannot stop earthquake, but we can take some measures, and this is one of them. Thank you.
That helps to save money and withdraw money. There are how many types of banks? State Bank of India, Canada Bank, and RBI, Reserve Bank of India. We have taken two banks, State Bank of India and Canada Bank. This is ATM machine. This is bank manager and Bank of Parking.
Today I am going to speak on EVM. The full form of EVM is electronic voting machine. The electronic voting machine is a portable electronic used to conduct elections. These are used in elections of parliament as well as of local bodies like municipalities. EVM has a microcontroller-based design which ensures a safe and secure voting. Thank you.
Good afternoon, this is myself Alka Fidos, grade 7th A. Today I'd like to talk about some amazing things that change the world. Marketplace the selflessness and compassion. Inspired countless people around the world. Next is another pioneering scientist forward radioactivity and rhythm to cause. Good afternoon everyone, myself Zara Fatima from grade 6. Today I want to take you on a journey to Africa is diverse cultural languages and traditions. From the pyramids of Egypt to the savannas of Serengeti. Africa is a treasure trove of natural beauty and history. Antarctica, the frozen continent. Antarctica is the coldest, driest and the windiest.
Okay.
So Fatima from grade 9. Topics are in order. When people used to give books to books, after many years, they started with books to books or after many years, coin came into circulation. After some days, our country moved on and achievement and technologies moved on. Like Google Pay, Phone Pay, credit card, debit card, bank.
You are a
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Muhammad Naqib. I am studying grade 7. Today I want to talk about the three pillars of our democracy. The legislature, the responsible for maintaining peace and violence, consisting of the Lok Sabha, House of the People and the Rajya Sabha Council of States. The executive headed by the President and the Prime Minister. The executive headed by the legislature makes laws. The executive implements them and the judiciary aligned with the Constitution. Thank you.
St. Vin Public School for exhibition.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to everyone. Really, in this school, St. Vin School, the exhibition which is organized in this year is really very, very, very well organized, and everything in every subjects, in every aspects, they have arranged very well and organized very well, and every student is really explaining the things in a really such manner. It's really outstanding performance and the excellent performance the students have given. Teachers are also extraordinary and really very well organized for the parents also to sit and you see all the things in a easy manner. It's very good, really very appreciating. Thank you very much.
Are you seeing in categories of so many categories? Kannada
Yeah, many.
social and
Every in a social field, in a robotics field, in a diniyat field, really outstanding. Everything, I can't explain in my words. Actually, you come and see once. For every parent, I request all the parents to come and see this exhibition. It's really very helpful for the other students who are coming from the other schools. It's really very helpful for the other students also. Thank you very much.
Myself Mohammed Sani from 7th standard division. Today I am going to talk about administrative regions of Karnataka. The way our state is organized into 4 big regions. Each with its own characteristic. Karnataka is divided into 4 administrative divisions. Today I am going to talk about administrative divisions.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Umayfa from grade 7 section A. Today my model is based on fundamental rights. There are 7 rights. Rights to equality, rights to constitution, rights to constitution, rights to education, rights to law, rights to education, rights against exploitation, rights to freedom.
Present here. Myself is a map studying PhD. Today I am going to speak few lines on essentials for maintaining provide a nutrient from preventive against sick legal reminder and have the cases highly friend of any bad real judge. The judiciary has the backward play.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Sada Fatima. Myself Rizwa Fatima. Studying in grade 8. Today we are going to exhibit about waterfalls. Waterfalls are the natural wonders formed by the flow of water over a vertical drop, creating stunning displays of nature's beauty and power.
Waterfalls have been studied about their impact on species living in and around it.
Here I am presenting my model, Smart Home Automation. It has 3 working systems. First is rain detecting. The rain system will detect the water droplet. When the rain stops, it comes to its original position. Second is fire detector. It will detect the fire, the doors will get open and the lights will get on. The message is displayed, fire clear. The last is power. Security based. Wrong password, the buzzer will alert. With the correct password, the door will get open and when the person will be open for 10 seconds. When the person gets inside, it will sense and the lights will be on. Thank you.
So it is double. So when you see, your brain gets confused. And makes it into a 3D So you get a 3D
This is Haya Fatima from grade 8. Here I am presenting my model, Smart Home Automation. It has 3 working systems. First is rain detecting. The rain system will detect the water droplet. When the rain stops, it comes to its original position. Second is fire detector. It will detect the fire, the doors will get open and the lights will get on. The message is displayed, fire clear. The last is power. Security based. Wrong password, the buzzer will alert. With the correct password, the door will get open and when the person will be open for 10 seconds. When the person gets inside, it will sense and the lights will be on. Thank you.
Sir, would you like to answer?
Good morning, sir. Myself Saida Humaira of grade 7th. This is smoke detector. It detects smoke and gas leaks and opens the door automatically using a circuit. To build this system, we require components such as jumper wire, breadboard, power supply, etc. A system can be used in hotels, kitchens, restaurants, etc. Anyway, safety is important. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Jaman. I am from grade 8. Today I will be explaining about ring topology. A ring topology is a network communication where devices are connected into single closed loop. It acts as a repeater, generating and retransmitting. Advantages: easy to add or remove. The failure of one link or node does not affect the rest of the network. It is used in offices and hospitals. From past, present and future. Have a look.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Mohammad Ali. I am studying JNP. Today we are going to show JNP project. JNP project is just like we see in the movie. We use this parts to wheel our wheel, currently interlocking blocks, big gas, small gas, motor, battery, paste.
Okay. Start.
Smart water tank system. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Akram of grade 9. This project shows how we can use sensor and automation to control water level in a tank. This like smart home. It also prevents overflow and also saves electricity.
Okay.
Myself, Janadu. Our system can measure water levels, displace them and control LEDs, and even turn a water pump on and off automatically using a motor. Thank you.
कौन बनी सर? Tell me about.
From grade 6. Today I have made a game called F125 on Scratch. Scratch is a MIT-based visual coding platform that uses drag and drop blocks to teach programming. Now I will be explaining about my game. My game name is F125. It is inspired by real F1 racing. The car moves using the car moves and collision logic and touch speed are controlled using Scratch. Today we are excited to present our project called Shift Roller Car. Shift Roller Car teaches how a caster will help in smooth turning and better balance. It can be moved front or back side. We made this by our own. We made in the school. This car is designed to move fast and turn smoothly without falling or getting stuck.
Okay.
Work. This will only work on
railway track or only black light about colors.
Yeah. This is the base and this is the components.
Okay.
This is the Arduino.
You have install any magnet which can attract to lines of
No, only for
you detect the colors.
help of sensor.
So how you detect the color like black color? The sensor is
Yeah.
Good morning everyone. Today we will show you Claudia Atlantic Cup. In this project we learn how our car is rotating and a cylinder works together make our parts move up and down. To build this project we use mechanical building block track with cylinder road. Thank you. This project is about how to circular motion can change into crank and motion using a crank and sliding mechanism. This mechanism is used in real machines like car, engine pumps and jacks.
Okay.
Myself, Jenna Fatima from grade 6. My model is about output devices. Today I am going to explain some lines on output. Computer follows some rules. Input, processing, output. Output means the final result. Monitor, keyboard, printers, help boards are some output devices. Printer is an essential output device that creates physical copies and also hard copies. A mouse is keyboard. A keyboard is an crucial device with keys and letters.
Yeah. Please explain it. What this?
Good morning everyone. Today we are here our project called Smart Dustbin.
How it is useful here?
Good morning everyone. Today we are here to our project called Smart Dustbin. This dustbin is a smart that a person
Our project called drone.
The drone is a flying machine that can operate without pilot inside. The drone are also called unmanned aerial vehicles.
This is ready-made drone and this is handmade drone.
This is handmade. How will operate?
Myself, Farsha Begum from 7th standard A section. Today I am here to present a project called Automatic Toll Gate System. The system
properties of different shapes. This is a triangle. Sum of all interior angle is equals 180 degree. We can prove by making a semicircle. 60 plus 60 plus 60 is equals 180 degree. Lateral shapes. Quadra means 4. This is a square. We can interchange it with any other pieces because the shape and the size are equal.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Ishan. I am from grade 9. I am going to tell you about the area of square. So you have to give me a number between 1 to 10. Any one number.
9.
9. Square is A into A, which is length into breadth. Length is equal to breadth. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. So we'll see that if there are 81 pins or not.
Good morning, sir. My name is Abdul from grade 7 here. Today I am going to learn my model. My model is square and cube. Square have multiplied the same number. Cube have multiplied the same number twice. You can see 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. And this 8 8 is 64. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Manu. I am from grade 3. Today I want to tell you about very old, very clever and very helpful tool called the abacus. The abacus is the oldest calculation tool in the world. People have done it 1,000 years ago. Long before we had a modern calculators and even computers, it is usually a wooden frame with the rods running across it. There are the little bits that we move up and down to count and subtract, multiply and divide. The abacus helps in picture number in our minds and to math very quickly and very excitedly. It is like a super math board. Now I want to tell you about what is abacus uses. Mental mastery, brain development, confident, enhanced focus. Thank you.
My name is Dushat. I am studying in grade 1B. What is abacus? Abacus is an ancient mathematic tool used for calculation and is also known as calculating device. Now I will perform one digit direct sum.
-1, 6, -6, +6, -7, 5.
Good morning, sir. My name is Hadish. I am studying in second standard section. I am going to explain about abacus. We call this first size known as frame, and it is middle one, and it is point and neighbor point, and it is upper bit and lower bit, and it is
Okay. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Priya Mani from grade 4. Today I am going to explain about friends. In abacus we have friends, Wilson formula, Snowfall formula, and combination formula.
Okay.
Good morning, my name is Venkatesh. I am studying in grade 6. Where has moved magic triangle puzzle? Would you like to solve it?
Magic triangle.
Good morning. My name is Abdul. I am exhibiting a ATM and a bank model. A bank is a financial institution that takes deposits, offers loans, and provides acting as a financial intermediary by connecting people to people. Here, math works in the name of money. Calculate simple interest, compound interest,
Yeah.
The set theory, we have a set A as in these are the numbers, and set B as these are the numbers. A union B means a combination of set A and set B, and A intersection means the numbers which are present in the both A and B. Here you can see this is called as a Venn diagram. In this block you can see the set A numbers which are left in the set A, and these are the set B. And this part, the center part, is called as an intersection part, where the numbers present in the both A and B. These are the things we will have in a working model. This is called the intersection of A and B.
present you myself, Farsha Begum from 7th Standard A section. Today I am here to present a project called Automatic Toll Gate System. This project is how toll gate can be automatic using sensors, models, and just like rail plaza on highway. Normally at toll gate, we will have to stop and wait for the gate open because the long whistle is too time and fuel.
Myself, Jana Fatima from grade 6. My model is about output devices. Today I am going to explain the lines on output. Computer follows some rules. Input, processing, output. Output means the final result. Monitor, keyboard, printers, headphones are some output devices. Printer is an essential output device that creates physical copies and also hardware.
Next student of the St. Vin Public School, it's really nice meeting here, then coming here. Even we've done so many projects about science and all. They're seeing there, refreshing our memory. It is so nice, so beguiling, so nice decoration, and then new technology, so improvement. It was just so nice meeting here, and then refreshes our memory. Then yeah, thank you.
Good morning, myself Usha Green. I am from grade 9. Today I am exhibiting angles, properties of different shapes. This is a triangle. Sum of all interior angle is equals 180 degree. We can prove by making a semicircle. 60 plus 60 plus 60 is equals 180 degree. Lateral shapes. Quadra means 4. This is a square. We can interchange it with any other pieces because the shape and the size are equal.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Ishan. I am from grade 9. I am going to tell you about the area of square. So you have to give me a number between 1 to 10. Any one number.
9.
9. Square is A into A, which is length into breadth. Length is equal to breadth. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. So we'll see that if there are 81 pins or not.
Good morning, sir. My name is Abdul from grade 7th grade. Today I am going to learn my model. My model is square and cube. Square have multiplied the same number. Cube have multiplied the same number twice. You can see 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. And this 8 8 is 64. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Manu. I am from grade 3. Today I want to tell you about very old, very clever and very helpful tool called the abacus. The abacus is the oldest calculation tool in the world. People have had 1,000 years ago. Long before we had a modern calculators and even computers, it is usually a wooden frame with the rods running across it. There are the little bits that we move up and down to count and subtract, multiply and divide. The abacus helps in picture number in our minds and to math very quickly and very excitedly. It is like a super math board. Now I want to tell you about what is abacus uses. Mental mastery, brain development, confident, enhanced focus. Thank you.
My name is Dushat. I am studying in grade 1B. What is abacus? Abacus is an ancient mathematic tool used for calculation and is also known as calculating device. Now I will perform one digit direct sum.
Minus 1, 6, minus 6, plus 6, minus 7, 5,
Good morning, sir. My name is Adish. I am studying in second standard section. I am going to explain about abacus. We call this first size known as prep, and it is middle one, and it is point and neighbor point, and it is upper bit and lower bit, and it is value.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Priya Mani from grade 4. Today I am going to explain about friends. In abacus we have friends, Wilson formula, Snowfall formula, and combination formula.
Okay.
Good morning, my name is Venkatesh. I am studying in grade 6. I have made magic triangle puzzle. Would you like to solve it?
Magic triangle.
We are the batch from 23-24 and we'd like to come here. We feel very honored felt so happy after coming
We are
here.
glad and we are honored to be a part of this school,
This event.
and it is very nice. The event is well organized. Event is organized.
All our memories are, we can recollect all our memories. Recall our memories. Yeah. And really emotional.
Good morning. My name is Abdul. I am exhibiting a ATM and a bank model. A bank is a financial institution that takes deposits, offers loans, and provides acting as a financial internet by connecting people to people. Here, Max works in the name of money. It calculates simple interest, compound interest,
Yeah.
The set theory, we have a set A as in these are the numbers, and set B these are the numbers. A union B means a combination of set A and set B, and A intersection means the numbers which are present in the both A and B. Here you can see this is called as a Venn diagram. In this block you can see the set A numbers which are left in the set A, and these are the set B. And this part, the center part is called as an intersection part, where the numbers present in the both A and B. These are the things we have in a working model. This is called the intersection of A and B.
Just sit on. Morning it will be very fresh.
माशाल्लाह स्कूल में हमारे 4 बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, देख के बहुत बहुत खुशी हुई और बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस देखा और बहुत करीब तकरीबन सारे प्रोग्राम्स देखे हमने। माशाल्लाह सारे बच्चों की मेहनत बहुत अच्छी लगी, सारे बच्चों के कारनामे दिल को छू लेने जैसा हुआ। अल्लाह इस स्कूल को नज़र बद से बचाए, बच्चों को और तरक्की से नवाजे और बच्चे फूले फले, देश की तरक्की का, माँ बाप की खुशहाली का ज़रिया बने और हमारा मुल्क इस तरह बच्चे आगे बढ़कर पढ़े तो हमारा मुल्क तरक्की की तरफ जाए। और माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा लगा और ऐसा प्रोग्राम हर स्कूल वाले को करना चाहिए और हर माँ बाप को भी इसमें दिलचस्पी रहनी चाहिए। माशाल्लाह ये बहुत अच्छा कदम है। अल्लाह इस कदम में साबित कदमी नसीब फरमाए और मज़ीद तरक्की का ख्याल से नवाजे। शुक्रिया।
मेरा नाम मैं 7वीं कक्षा की छात्र हूँ। मैं आज दिल्ली के लाल किले के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। लाल किला दिल्ली में है, ये बहुत पुराना और मशहूर है। इसे मुगल बादशाह शाहजहां ने बनवाया था। ये लाल पत्थर से बना है, इसका नाम लाल किला।
मेरा नाम ज़ैनब मुताहिरा है, मैं 7वीं कक्षा की छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपको कुतुब मीनार के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। कुतुब मीनार भारत के दिल्ली शहर में स्थित एक ऐतिहासिक स्मारक है। यह दुनिया के सबसे ऊंची ईंटों से बने मीनारों में से एक है। इसे यूनेस्को विश्व धरोहर स्थल भी घोषित किया गया है। कुतुब मीनार का निर्माण कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक ने 1193 ईस्वी में शुरू किया था।
मेरा नाम शफिया परवीन है, मैं 7वीं कक्षा की छात्र हूँ। आज मैं कुतुब मीनार के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। कुतुब मीनार में 5 मंजिल है। कुतुब मीनार लाल बर्गा पत्थर और मार्बल से बनी है। इसकी दीवारों पर कुरान की आयतें और सुंदर नक्काशी की गई है। धन्यवाद।
मध्यकारी नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मुस्कान है, मैं 8वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आज आप सभी को क्रिसमस के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। क्रिसमस एक ईसाई त्यौहार है जो ईसा मसीह के जन्म का उत्सव मनाते हैं, जिन्हें ईसाई ईश्वर का पुत्र मानते हैं। ज़्यादातर लोगों के लिए यह हर साल 25 दिसंबर को मनाया जाता है। वह दिन जिसे रोमन कैथोलिक चर्च ने ईसाई मसीह के जन्मदिन के रूप में चुना था। धन्यवाद। मैं चाहती हूँ कि इस्माइल आपको होली के बारे में बताए।
होली हिंदू धर्म का एक प्रमुख त्यौहार है जिसे
पूर्णिमा की रात को मनाया जाता है। इस त्यौहार में लोग आपस में रंग फेंकते हैं, मिठाई खाते हैं। होली होली होली
ओके ओके।
सुप्रभात है। नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सुजिया दास है। मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। बूझो तो जानो, मेरे पास कुछ सवाल थे जिसके जवाब आपको देने पड़ेंगे। आप इन्हीं में से कोई एक को चुनिए। दिन तिथि और त्योहार सबको मैं बता जाता हूँ। 1 वर्ष के बाद मैं अपने आप मर जाता हूँ।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम इनामा दाऊदी है। मैं 5वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। बूझो तो जानो, मेरे पास कुछ सवाल थे जिनके जवाब आपको देने पड़ेंगे। इनमें से किसी एक को चुनिए। करता नहीं मैं कभी लड़ाई, फिर भी होती रोज पिटाई। कोई मेरा नाम तो बताओ भाई।
ड्रामा ओके।
मेरा नाम अलीना फतेहा है। मैं 6वीं कक्षा की छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आप लोगों को रानी लक्ष्मीबाई के बारे में कुछ शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ। रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का जन्म 19 नवंबर 1828 को वाराणसी में हुआ था। उनका असली नाम मणिकर्णिका था, जिसे प्यार से मनु कहा जाता था। उनका विवाह झांसी के राजा गंगाधर राव से
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम आफिया है और मैं 6वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरा विशेष है दीपावली। दीपावली जिसे दिवाली भी कहा जाता है, हिंदू धर्म का एक प्रमुख त्यौहार है। यह त्यौहार हर साल कार्तिक मास की अमावस्या को मनाया जाता है। इस दिन भगवान श्री रामचंद्र जी 14 वर्ष के बाद अयोध्या लौटे थे और उनके स्वागत में नगरवासियों ने दीप जलाया था। धन्यवाद।
अरे नमस्कार, मेरा नाम खजरा मरियम है और मैं 5वीं कक्षा की छात्री हूँ। आज मैं आप सबके सामने हमारे देश के एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण आकर्षित स्मारक इंडिया गेट के बारे में कुछ शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ। इंडिया गेट हमारे देश की राजधानी नई दिल्ली के दिल में स्थित है। यह 42 मीटर ऊंचा एक विशाल और सुंदर मेहराब है जो लाल बलुआ पत्थरों से बना हुआ है। इसे उन बहादुर सैनिकों की याद में बनाया गया था जिन्होंने पहले विश्व युद्ध और अफगान युद्ध में ब्रिटिश सेना के लिए लड़ते हुए अपने प्राणों की आहुति दी थी।
ज्योति दिन रात जलती रहती है, जो 1971 के भारत, पाकिस्तान और उसके बाद देश के लिए शहीद हुए सैनिकों की याद दिलाती है। हर साल 26 जनवरी को गणतंत्र दिवस की परेड राष्ट्रपति भवन से शुरू होकर इंडिया गेट से गुजरती है। शाम के समय जब इंडिया गेट रोशनी से जगमगाता है तो इसका नज़ारा बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है। इंडिया गेट हमारे राष्ट्र गौरव और एकता का प्रतीक है।
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम मिर्जा सालिहा है और मैं कक्षा 6 की छात्र हूँ। आज इस प्रतिष्ठित मंच पर मुझे हिंदी व्याकरण के एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण विशेषण पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने का अवसर मिला है। व्याकरण की दृष्टि से जो शब्द संज्ञा या सर्वनाम शब्दों की विशेषता बताते हैं उन्हें हम विशेषण कहते हैं। विशेषण के मुख्य रूप से 4 प्रकार होते हैं, जैसे गुणवाचक विशेषण, संख्यावाचक विशेषण, परिमाणवाचक विशेषण, सर्वनामिक विशेषण। गुणवाचक विशेषण जो गुण या दोष बताते हैं, जैसे अच्छा लड़का पुराना घर। संख्यावाचक विशेषण जो संख्या बताते हैं, जैसे 4 पेन कुछ बच्चे। परिमाणवाचक विशेषण जो मात्रा या माप बताते हैं, जैसे 1 लीटर दूध थोड़ा पानी।
मेरा नाम हलीमा है और मैं कक्षा 6 में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आपको बोटानिकल गार्डन के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। बोटानिकल गार्डन दुनिया के विभिन्न हिस्सों से आने जीवित पौधों का वैज्ञानिक रूप से नियोजित संग्रह है। एक वनस्पति उद्यान में आमतौर पर संग्रह कलेक्टिंग होता है। विभिन्न परिवारों को प्रतिनिधित्व करने वाले पौधे, प्लांट रिप्रेजेंटिंग वेरियस फैमिलीज, खेती वाले पौधे, कल्टीवेटेड प्लांट्स, औषधीय पौधे, मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम फरहीन खान है और मैं 8वीं कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ। मैं आपको आकार के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। आकार तब पड़ता है जब लंबे समय तक बारिश नहीं होती। इससे पानी और भोजन की कमी पड़ जाती है। इंसान और जानवर मरने लगते हैं, इसलिए बारिश का आना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसके बाद मेरी सहेली आपको बताना चाहती है।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम वनीता है। मैं 8वीं कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ। मैं आपको वर्षा के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। जीवन धात्री वर्षा का अर्थ है कि वर्षा धरती पर जीवन का आधार है। यदि वर्षा ना हो तो पानी की कमी और सूखा पड़ जाता है। बारिश से पानी मिलता है और फसलें उगती हैं और पेड़ पौधे जीवित रहते हैं। इसलिए वर्षा जीवन के लिए बहुत आवश्यक है। धन्यवाद।
मेरा नाम अरविंद है और मैं 8वीं कक्षा की छात्र हूँ। मैं आज आप लोगों को भगत सिंह के बारे में कुछ शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ। भगत सिंह भारत का एक प्रमुख और निडर स्वतंत्र समाजवादी क्रांतिकारी था। उनका पूरा नाम चंद्रशेखर तिवारी था। 15 साल की उम्र में उन्होंने छोड़ दिया था और स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में खुद पड़े थे। उन्होंने खुद को आज़ाद नाम दिया था, जो दर्शाता है कि वो अभी किसी के गुलाम नहीं रहे।
मैं
आपको तिम्मक्का के बारे में भी बताना चाहती हूँ। सालुमरदा तिम्मक्का कर्नाटक की एक प्रसिद्ध पर्यावरणविद थी जिन्हें वृक्ष माता भी कहा जाता है, जिन्होंने 65 सालों में हजारों बरगद के पेड़ लगाकर और उनकी देखभाल करके पर्यावरण संरक्षण में अतुलनीय योगदान दिया। खासकर गुलिकल कुदुर रोड पर 385 पेड़ लगाकर वे प्रसिद्ध हुई। 2019 में उन्हें पद्मा श्री पुरस्कार से भी सम्मानित किया गया। 114 साल की उम्र में 14 नवंबर 2025 में उनका निधन हुआ, लेकिन उनकी विरासत करोड़ों लोगों के लिए प्रेरणादायक है।
मेरा नाम मरीजा है, मैं कक्षा 5 में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरा विषय सर्वनाम है। जो शब्द संख्या के स्थान पर प्रयोग किए जाते हैं वे सर्वनाम कहलाते हैं। सर्वनाम शब्दों के भी वचन बदलते हैं, जैसे वह, हमारा, आप, कोई, ये। धन्यवाद।
Is a magnetic oscillator with 3 fidget spinner and magnet attached to it. This is basically a physics system where we turn a magnet, it passes through magnetic field lines and goes to it, and it is used in many submarines and to see the depth of the oceans and etc. Thank you.
It's known as a quantoscope. It's a device which creates illusions. So if you can see here, it's basically a disc with some pieces in the behind and a few sides. When spun in front of a mirror, you can see that the process keep moving. So this is how it shows that how our eye retina works and retains how quickly it retains images from it.
Afternoon, sir. Let me introduce myself. I am Syed Deher Shahir, a student of grade 10. Today, I'll be presenting information on our solar system. Our solar system is a cosmic neighborhood with the help of gravity and the sun. The sun has the temperature around 15 million degrees Celsius, and it is in the shape of sphere. And around 4.6 billion years ago, it has been formed by swelling cloud of gas and dust. Let me move to the first planet of our solar system, that is Mercury. Mercury is also known as Mercurian, named by the scientists, and it is the closest planet to the sun. And it has around 443 degrees Celsius temperature, and it takes around 176 days to complete one oscillation from the sun, and it don't have moons in it. Let me move to the second planet of our solar system, that is Venus. Venus is also known as hottest planet in the solar system because the temperature of Venus is around 487 degrees Celsius, and it is also known as twin planet of Earth because it has same mass, size, it has same composition, and it has same size of as well as of Earth. And Venus temperature also goes to 487 degrees Celsius. It takes around 225 days to complete one oscillation from the Earth. Let me move to the third planet of our solar system, that is Earth. Earth is also known as ocean planet, where living beings are alive, and a special liquid is present in Earth, which is also called as water. Water combines with nitrogen to give 78%, and it combines with oxygen also to give 21%. And the outer shell of the Earth rejects and breaks into plate tectonics. These tectonics form volcanoes and mountains. The Earth have one moon, and the moon takes the radiation from sun for moonlight. Let me move to the fourth planet.
लग रहा है आज को माहौल देख के आपको क्या फील हो रहा है?
क्या भी नहीं, अच्छा है, बहुत मेहनत करें बच्चे, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करें, कम से कम 15-20 दिन से मेहनत करें। और माशाल्लाह छोटे बच्चे दीनियत में बहुत अच्छा बात करें बच्चे, बहुत खुशी हुई दीनियत में छोटे बच्चे बात करें, मेहनत करें बच्चे, बहुत मेहनत करें टीचर हम भी, अच्छा है।
स्कूल को क्या बोलना चाहते हैं?
स्कूल बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत ग्रेजुएट टीचर हैं, पूरे टीचर पूरे ग्रेजुएट हैं, और बहुत ज़्यादा कंडीशन इंग्लिश में बात करना, उर्दू नहीं बात करना, तो ये बात अच्छी है, दूसरे स्कूलों में नहीं रहता है।
शुक्रिया.
Good afternoon, myself Faiza Fatima. I'm student of grade 9. Today I'm going to explain about my project Neuron. So neuron is basically the fundamental unit of nervous system, incredibly specialized cells that transmit information throughout our body. They are designed to perform a complex tasks like think, move and perceive the world around us. Neuron is composed of several key parts: cell body, dendrite, axon and axon terminals. Cell body houses the nucleus and other cell organelles that maintain the neuron health and function. The cell hub processes incoming information and supports the neuron activities. Dendrites are branch-like extensions that receive signals from other neuron and transmit them to the cell body. On the other hand, we have axon, the long slender projections that carry electric impulses away from the cell body to neuron muscles and or glands. At the end of the axon, we have axon terminals, which release neurotransmitters, a chemical messenger that help us to come across and communicate with synaptic gap. This process is crucial for the transformation within the nervous system. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Sayeda Zaina Inamdar, and today my topic is about a corner cube refractometer. So what this does is, like, unlike a normal plane mirror, when you shine a laser at any angle at all from any light, excuse me, can you switch off the light, please? Laser from any angle, it reflects on the other two surfaces to form a straight 180-degree angle. This method is used in a lot of places, including in bicycles, traffic signals, and it was even used by Neil Armstrong, the first man on the moon, to measure the distance between the moon and the earth, because we already know the speed of light and we're able to calculate it. So as you can see in this small mini model as well, if you shine a light at any one point of the surface, it shines on the other two surfaces as well. I also have a few like interactive games. Would you be interested in doing those?
सेंट्रल पब्लिक स्कूल का है। यहाँ पर जो एग्जीबिशन चल रहा है बच्चों का, बहुत सारी कैटेगरी यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहे हैं। क्या कहना चाहते हैं सभी?
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, ಒಂದು 3rd ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. ನಾವು ಮೊದಲಿಂದಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾಗಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ತಂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೊದಲಿಂದಾನು ಈಗ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೈ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Mohammad Saqibullah. I am from grade 10. I would like to present an performance on uphill cone. An uphill cone is made up of two cones where the base is combined to form, and the center point of the gravity is here. As far we place the objects and leave it, it will come to the uppers. This is done to the center of gravity. As you can see, the narrow end is short and the wider end is large. This also depends for the cone to come up. And
good afternoon, sir. My name is Muhammad Rahan. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I want to discuss how windmill work. The wind pushes the blades and rotates the rotor. The rotor turns the generator shift inside the electricity is then sent to homes and industries. And the traditional windmill is used for pumping of water. Thank you, sir.
Good morning. My name is Viviana Navsar from grade 5. Today my topic is bungalow and hut. Bungalow is a one-story house that usually has a big veranda and open space around it. A hut is a small metal house usually found in villages. Hut is made up of mud, straw and bamboo. Thank you.
Good
afternoon, everyone. My name is Aisha Fatima. I am a student of grade 5. Today my model is about water pollution. Water pollution happens when harmful things enter the water like plastic, chemicals, sewage and factory waste mixed with clean water. In my model, you can see how waste enter the water and makes the water dirty. Polluted water harms fish, plants and other animals.
Okay, thank you.
Everyone, myself Pratiksha Kemati. I'm a student of grade 7 section A. I'm here representing my model Chandrayaan 3. This is a LVM rocket. LVM stands for Launch Vehicle Mark. It is a series of rockets developed by Indian Space Research Organization. It is also, there are different types of LVM such as LVM1, LVM2 and LVM3. Among them,
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, start.
My name is Hussein Khan of grade 6. Today I am going to represent a model of hydraulic bridge. Hydraulic bridge is a branch of science that deals with the use of imaginary or water to transport goods. In hydraulic bridge, hydraulic cylinders and pistons perform heavy lifting when running
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Alia Fatima of grade 6 from St. Phil Public School. My model name is protein food pyramid. Protein is one of the most important nutrients required by the human body. It is known as the body building food. It helps in the growth and development. Thank you.
Myself, Musauda Khan from grade 6. Today I am going to be presenting a model germination of seed. Germination of seed is a natural process through which a seed grows into one plant. A seed contains embryo and spore coated by a seed coat. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Mohammad Furqan from grade 6. The project is types of landforms. The surface of the earth is not symmetrical. They are made of different physical features known as landforms. These landforms are created by natural forces like wind, water, volcanoes, earthquakes, and the movement of tectonic plates. The major types of landforms include mountains, plains, hills, plateaus, forests, deserts, and islands.
My name is Usha Muhammadi. I am from grade 7. So today I am exhibiting the model of types of motions. So today motion means where an object moves from one place to another. Today I am going to show four different types of motion: linear motion, periodic motion, rotational motion, and circular motion. Thank you.
My name is Bina Sultana from grade 7th A. Today I'll explain the structure of lung. We have two lungs in our chest. The right lung is a little bigger and the left lung is a little smaller. Just to mention for the heart, each lung is covered by a thin layer called pleura. Inside our lungs there are small, tiny tubes called bronchi and bronchioles. At the end of this tube we have two small air cells called alveoli. These alveoli contain a skin hair, oxygen and
Okay.
Good morning. My name is Sarah Fatima. I am from grade 7. Today I am going to explain my water cycle model. The water cycle shows how the water moves again and again on the earth. The first stage is evaporation, in which the sun heats up the water from the rivers and the lakes and the water goes up. And second is condensation, in which the water turns into water vapor and forms the clouds. The third is precipitation, in which the clouds become heavy and the water falls from the clouds and gets collected in the river.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Good morning, myself Mariam Rahman from grade 7. I am going to display a heart model. This is deoxygenated blood and this is oxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood comes from right atrium and then to right ventricle and then goes from pulmonary artery. This is oxygenated blood. It comes from pulmonary vein and comes to left atrium and then to left ventricle and goes from aorta. The heart is protected by three layers: pericardium, myocardium and endocardium. Myocardium is responsible for contraction and relaxation of heart. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself, V. Charan of 7th grade of St. Phil Public School. My partner is Karan. My topic is volcano. Volcano is an opening in the earth crust through which molten rock, gas and ash escape from the surface. The structure of a volcano is made up of several important materials that are used.
Good morning everyone, myself Mohammad Rayan Atif from grade 9. A hologram. A hologram is a three-dimensional image created using a special technology called holography. Unlike all ordinary photographs, which show flat images, hologram appears to have depth and can be seen from various angles. Hologram is a
Yeah, actually it is too good because they are getting used to new things and all. It's a very good experience for all the kids moving forward. So overall experience is too good compared to other schools which we have been to.
बताइए।
जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सेटविन पब्लिक स्कूल काको हूँ ऐसा सेटविन पब्लिक स्कूल काको इंशाल्लाह जी अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है माशाल्लाह, बहुत अच्छा है।
कैसा लगा बच्चों का
जी माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है।
एग्जीबिशन देख के आपको क्या लग रहा है?
जी आइडिया नए आइडिया है बच्चों का, तरकीब अच्छा है, स्कूल के टीचर अच्छे सिखा गए माशाल्लाह, बहुत अच्छा सिखा गए।
स्कूल के बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
जी स्कूल माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा है, सब बच्चा अच्छा पढ़ा रही, टीचर हाउ माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं।
आपका नाम?
जी मोहम्मद अली।
Yeah, I'm the parent of my daughter is in 4th standard as well as in 9th standard. I had a very good experience being here to the St. Pin Public School. It's really a wonderful job done by the school management, students as well as by the teachers and as well as by the parents also. All the hard work and their dedication can be seen through their projects which is being done by today. It's really a good experience. I'm so happy and I'm so thankful to the management of St. Pin Public School as well as to the staff and all the members of the school management as well as for the students and for the parents also. Very thankful and a big congratulations on the grand success of this Lumina exhibition 2021. Thank you.
माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, बच्चों को दीन की तालीम भी अच्छी दे रहे हैं यहाँ पर, और जो है आज के इससे माहौल के इसमें बहुत अच्छा करनी है माशाल्लाह। बहुत अच्छा जो है नॉन मुस्लिम्स के उनके भी बहुत अच्छा एग्जीबिशंस ये करें, दीन के बारे में भी बच्चों को अच्छा आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा दिखा। मेरी बच्ची LKG से है माशाल्लाह, अभी 8th स्टैंडर्ड का ये करके दीनियात में बहुत अच्छा सा प्रोग्राम अच्छा है करें एग्जीबिशन ना।
सेंट पिन पब्लिक स्कूल को और यहाँ के चेयरमैन साहब को, यहाँ के स्टाफ को क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
चेयरमैन साहब माशाल्लाह वो भी बहुत ये करते हैं, जैसे अपने बच्चों को, अपनी बेटी को जैसा आगे बढ़ाए हैं, उनके ये जो है पूरे बच्चों को भी आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश ये करते हैं। और स्टाफ टीचर्स माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा बिहेव करते हैं, पेरेंट्स मीटिंग में भी इतना अच्छा सा बात करते हैं, बच्चों को इम्प्रूव कराते हैं और फ्रेंडली बहुत अच्छा पेरेंट्स के साथ ये करते हैं माशाल्लाह, बहुत अच्छे है स्कूल।
It's a very excellent thing. They have worked hard very nicely. They have done very nicely for children. It's exposure for children. It's nice. I've seen every exhibition. It is very nice. It's a good experience for me and children also. Thank you. Thank you very much.
कैसा लगा आपको एग्जीबिशन को आके?
माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा लगा। इसी साल अरेंजमेंट किए थे स्कूल में, ज्वाइन हुआ था इसी साल, बच्चे ने बनाया, बहुत अच्छी दिखे है, एग्जीबिशन भी अच्छा है और इधर का एनवायरनमेंट भी अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, इज बेटर। और बच्चों ने बनाया मॉडल जो दिए थे सेम नॉलेज, बहुत अच्छा है मॉडल। और इससे ज्यादा
क्या कहना चाहते हैं चेयरमैन साहब को, यहाँ के जो
टीचिंग स्टाफ माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा है, और चेयरमैन साहब भी बहुत मिलनसार आदमी है माशाल्लाह, बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं, अच्छे करते हैं, और स्टाफ भी माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा है और स्टूडेंट भी बहुत अच्छा है और बच्चों में इम्प्रूवमेंट में अच्छा है।
ओके, आपका नाम?
जी नासिर अहमद है, मेरे 3 बच्चे पढ़ते हैं।
थैंक यू।